have you here in person.
Thank you. Good to be here.
So what are some recent developments in your market that international investors should take note of?
There have been quite a number of initiatives that we have done. In the end, exchanges are all about ecosystem building. So we have, over the years, enhanced our regional retail outreach. We have also broadened and onboarded market makers and liquidity providers, and at the same time enhance our research offering and also companies outreach. More significantly, last year, 2 funds were set up by different agencies to anchor companies to list in Singapore. And we have since had very good conversations with companies and also seen companies doing secondary listing on the Singapore exchange.
How has retail and institutional participation grown in your market or our ASEAN as a whole?
If we look at the inflow or AUM statistics, the numbers for last year was over $400 billion of inflow. That clearly signifies the institutional money. At the same time, we've seen increased retail participation. More importantly, more of the online brokers are setting up businesses in Singapore, and part of the ASEAN cooperation also means we could reach out to the regional brokers within ASEAN to promote and enhance liquidity in each other's market.
What are the channels for global investors to access ASEAN markets, and how do you see that changing?
The ASEAN exchanges on its own provides direct and liquid access to each of our respective markets. For the Singapore exchange, we offer a single point multi-asset platform, round-the-clock liquidity, and that also cuts across different asset classes from equities to fixed income, commodities, and currencies. So that complements very well what each individual ASEAN exchange or market has. For investors that are dollar-based, looking for hard currency offshore access into these markets, SGX complements those direct access efficiently and effectively.
And we know there's been a huge amount of activity in that area. What is your outlook for 2023?
That is a difficult question, I must say. Clearly, 2022, we have seen a lot. The year started off with a benign outlook. And obviously, unfortunately, we have the war in Ukraine, inflation, energy prices, and then we had the crypto market undergoing a correction in the middle of the year, and now markets are having to adjust to higher rates into 2023, and the risk of a recession in 2023. That said, I think for investors, in any scenario, markets are always cyclical. There will be value to be found in the markets. Key is to be nimble and have effective risk management tools. And I think exchanges can play a role for investors in that regard.
It was fantastic to see you here today. Thank you so much.
Thank you.